30 minutes straight.
I've been to North Korea. I'm just kidding. I've never been to Korea.
He looks like Addison Rae. I hate how I see it. You guys see it? Y'all can't be doing her like that. It's like now that I see it, I can't unsee it. Also, Big Ed doing mukbangs now.
You can do anything you want when you're physically disabled.
She double, triple, quadruple jointed or something. And then the whole thing fell off. Oh.